Sir John, look, a young hadron, ye pussy for Mamun Yomajuma. Win him, we are mature me. You and I know. Say, ye benya and crofom bo a bosso. So, we dear, yeah, young crofo near more. Sorry, I say, you be you crown a party credit who be remo with as a party.
Akoma 87.9.
Ibesi.
NDC no MPP.
Yes.
Ebenya pani bia
Oh,
contest bi no
opposition ono oni you look subia. Ben this if only woman no. Ebesi. Ebesi. Sir John, ebesi. Ye bebo aboso akoho se ye njai womo. Sort as here. Eti Ghana, one here Ghana will continue to be a crime scene. Now, on my pa Ghana.
What me swam who say police station.
Say John.
Although I just see and be nasa at the point they be moved to church to police station.
On my Ghana.
Baby, a nichian way.
Yen penny for no yen tenasena yen sijina yo. Seriously, yen sijina yo. Because your man microphone we ni mu big kwine ma omo eye de omo pe se omra wo man ni mu timi twese kan police ni a law enforcer ono no hwe se emra no ebe ye adwuma na obi akọ ye bibi a eni emra no ebo ebra enti ya che no da aban kokumu a 87.9 wo twese kan se wo kwa aban so wo de mra na to nchen ana wa fa mra na hye wo nsem se me de me ye oga me chen mra no wo mra sabiu the president of the republic how ye the commander in chief mpo omro mra ne so his excellency no wo omro mra ne so
bad
so
bad
sebi yewura na say tu na piao na mom ohene emro mra so wo se wo bom mra so wo who be you
na me can senka
no me pa who be you who Sir John Ashton those days any part of 2000 no na papa bi o UK boga bi everything who be you Sir John se wo se wo bom mra so eti ya che wo nua wo nte wo ase wa fa krante Sir John yemma pussy for kwan won no munyo omadwuma anka sini bi o hanka be fefe ka sini be fefe because imagine say yen nua no mo anti-robbery
87.9
so enu atwese kan na dey call mo so a senka sini be fefe o be fefe
o me wie ntem
fefe so kombe ya mana ye fefe
oh kombe wie adwuma ntem
one boss anyum no obeya mana ye fefe obeya me say ohima mercy fefe
to the boss you no aye no fefe
any ye ba kono gifty
any gifty
fefe because sometimes say John say yan first ehu bi enwurankofo bi mu a especially some of our youth no enime bi a sabi ya na koso imagine mo no ya na 87.9
Kumasi
and I making me say we are ya chi omu yi yemma emra nya adwuma o sam me kra course na start isu oko kan o say call from above order from above release them order from above you kra so aye kan wo dwen ne hote ne ba bi wonim de ekoso
okay Evans I am getting messages and the tiana say the assembly member kan no